The global demand for crude oil is high. Plastic, candles, gasoline, tyres, etc. are all made from crude oil. Because of its importance, crude oil has always been one of the most popular markets to trade. Over the last 10 years, WTI oil price reached a high of $112.18 on 25th of April 2011, before crashing to $30.02 on 8th of February 2016, as the impact of US shale crude oil production was being absorbed by traders. Shale crude oil production allowed companies to extrude crude oil from places that in the past were impossible to drill, triggering a crude oil revolution in the US. In early October 2018, crude oil prices climbed to a high of $76.41 as low interest rates and steady economic growth boosted the global demand for crude oil. Now, oil is trading around $50, down by 24% from its 2020 high after the coronavirus outbreak wreaked havoc in the markets. Do you think oil prices will bounce back as the coronavirus epidemic slows down? Or do you think crude oil prices will continue to fall? Now, you can be either long or short oil with ATFX at any price, anytime and anywhere. Trade with ATFX, a global leader in online trading.